Epic Games Launcher installation error. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to guide through how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher installation error happening onto your device. So let's go into the process on how we can solve that issue. But before that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and hit that notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to fix that, you need to run a command. So type in Windows plus R. After that, pressing that keyboard, this will appear on your screen, and there you're going to type in registry and the registry editor will appear on your screen. So here you're going to look at the file called hkey local machine. After you have opened up this registry editor, at the left side you can find that third option and open it up. Just make it big and go up to the software, and you're going to look for the option called Microsoft here. Until you're able to find the option called Microsoft here, you may just scroll down and look out for the option called Microsoft under the M section. Just open it up and locate the Microsoft as well, and there you're going to look out for DirectX. Here you are finding different prompts here, different registry editor here. So you're going to look out for the option called DirectX. You would just look up for that option here. Just scroll up and down until you're able to find that option called DirectX. After finding the DirectX, you're going to look at the DirectX. Let me just scroll it up until I find it. After that, click on DirectX and double tap on it. And after double tapping on it, you'll be finding this version section here at the bottom. Just double click on it or right click on it. Just right click on this version. And after right clicking on it, you're going to modify this. Just modify it and you'll be finding this box here. So you can find this valid data 4.09 something something here. So you're going to change this 09 after 4 point into 08 and click on OK and save the changes. After that is done, you're just going to close the registry editor. It may take a while for everything changes to be applied, so wait for it a bit. After that is done, hit the Windows plus R again, and this time you're going to type in %app data %. Just locate that file and run the command. Just run it and this will appear on the screen, and here you're going to look up for Epic Games Launcher here. Right now I don't have any Epic Games Launcher here, but if you find Epic Games Launcher here, if you have already installed it, you're just going to delete it by right clicking on it. For example, this file right here. So in order to delete it, you can find this delete option. You're going to locate the file called Epic Launcher, and after that delete it and restart your device and reinstall Epic Games on your device. So that's how you basically fix your Epic Games Launcher installation error on your Windows. So follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.